Ever feel like your project is teetering on a shaky foundation? No matter how shiny it looks on the surface, that's technical debt creeping in. Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to handle technical debt in Agile Scrum and project management, so you can build sustainable and scalable products first. Let's define technical debt. It's the implied cost of rework caused by choosing an easy solution now instead of a better approach that would take longer. It's basically a shortcut that creates future problems. Step 1. Identification. Regularly scan your codebase for areas that are difficult to understand, have poor performance, or lack proper documentation. Code reviews and static analysis tools can be super helpful here. Step 2. Prioritization. Not all technical debt is created equal. Use a framework like the cost of delay to prioritize what needs to be addressed first. Focus on the debt that impacts critical features or poses security risks. Add these items to your product backlog just like any other feature or bug. Step 3. Allocate time. Dedicate a specific percentage of each sprint to address technical debt. This ensures it doesn't get constantly pushed aside. Communicate clearly with stakeholders about the importance of this allocation. Step 4. Refactor incrementally. Break down large technical debt items into smaller, manageable tasks that can be tackled within a single sprint. This keeps the risk low and allows for continuous improvement. And finally, Step 5. Monitor and learn. Track your progress in reducing technical debt and use retrospectives to identify areas for improvement in your processes. Remember, managing technical debt is an ongoing process. By implementing these strategies, you can prevent it from undermining your projects and ensure long-term maintainability and scalability. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Agile and project management tips.